the origin of safety. A peaceful Swedish forest shrouded in morning mist.
The Volvo Iron Mark, a symbol of precision, realized in flawless polished chrome.
Hardening. As the steel is pressed, internal cooling channels in the mold freeze the atoms in place. A light, clean wisp of steam rises.
Quality is not an accident.
Safety is now proactive.
This simple mechanism has saved over 1 million lives since Volvo invented it in 1959.
Protection in milliseconds. The steering wheel cover splits. The white knife.
The front of the car is a mess of twisted metal, but the A-pillar and the doors are completely straight. The
Every millisecond is accounted for. This confirms the new side impact beam. It uses subtle infrared light to track the driver's eye movements, ensuring they are focused on the road and not distracted. Behind the glass-covered logo lies the millimeter-wave radar, constantly measuring the distance to the car ahead with surgical precision. Intersection logic actively analyzes multimodal traffic flow, calculating millions of potential paths to mitigate risk before impact.
The brain.
If the driver becomes unresponsive, the car doesn't just stop in the lane. It signals, checks the mirrors, and slowly
Comfort is safety. A comfortable driver is a focused driver. Clean air. The air inside is 99% cleaner than outside. Safety also means protecting your lungs.
When emergency braking is detected, the lights pulse rapidly to alert the driver behind. Communication through light.
The spine guard. A look beneath the leather. The internal seat frame is engineered with a unique.
Protecting the backbone.
Protecting the next generation. A simple, elegant movement. The center of the rear seat lifts and clicks into place.
The front subframe is made of softer aluminum and steel grades. It is designed to fold like an accordion.
In a small overlap crash, the wheel is engineered to break its mounts and slide outward. This prevents the heavy wheel assembly from being pushed into the driver's footwell.
Instant Ison. As soon as the airbags fire, a pyrotechnic circuit.
Are you okay? Help is on the way.
Total control. The car moves through a torrential downpour. The AWD system and stability control work in silence.
This laminated glass features a specialized plastic film in the middle. It stops wind noise and acts as a sound barrier.
The feedback is precise and reassuring. A well-designed car gives the driver the confidence to handle any situation.
Prepared for anything. A small red extinguisher, perfectly integrated into the interior design.
The legacy.
The virtual trial.
Guardian of the dark. Even in pitch-black conditions and heavy rain, the car's LiDAR and infrared sensors see the road.
Engineers look for even the slightest 0.1 millimeter deviation in the steel surface. Only perfection leaves the factory. The paint is like a mirror, reflecting a small Swedish flag hanging in the factory. This coating protects the high...
Living safety. A software update icon pulses. Volvo's safety systems are never static. They are updated.
Stopping power. The massive ventilated brake disc, it is engineered for zero fade, even after repeated emergency stops from high speeds.
Testing in the north. The car is at home in the world's harshest winters. The AWD system distributes torque precisely to prevent slipping on black ice.
Always connected. The steering wheel isn't just for turning, it feels the driver's touch through capacitive sensors.
Inside POV. The safe space. A digital overlay shows the passenger cabin surrounded by
The masterpiece.
We finished on time. Excellent work.
Yes, a quality build.
The key to safety. The key is wrapped in sustainable, recycled materials. Even the key reflects the brand's values of care and responsibility.
Crossing borders, reaching new horizons. A triumph of engineering.
A heritage of care. Volvo gave the patent for the 3-point seatbelt away for free, saving lives across the world.
The charging cable locks in.